Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to stop the autoplay of videos in your YouTube app. So let's begin. First open YouTube and here you can see the videos are automatically playing in the background. So let's begin. To stop this feature, first click in your profile icon here, then click on setting, then click on general, then choose this option playback in feeds, then select off from this list. After that, just restart the YouTube app. Now you are done. Now the video will not going to automatically play in the background. So let's check again. You can see the videos are now not automatically playing in the background. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.